If you're back testing every single day for the past 3 years, your chances are that most of this has been looked at. So you want to actually see what you missed out on. That's what really changes the mindset for you, because anyone can scroll left to find any random back test. Then try to back test in current price action. Okay, you guys, let's get started right away for the backtesting call. So the backtesting I'm going to do today, again, it's going to be current price. First thing that we're going to look for when backtesting, you guys, is the structure and extension and consolidation. Okay, so structure meaning, say we're looking at this range. We're going to look here for distro, here for accumulation, here for reaccumulation, distro, redistro, accumulation, reaccumulation, distro. So market cycle based on the down structure. So remember, I'm on the 5 minute, so I'm not going to keep these because we're right next to price action, and it's not going to be that relevant, right? Because I already have higher time frame structure marked up. But I'm already identifying my highs and lows, and that's where I'm going to look. So this back testing that we're doing today is live, as in I didn't do anything before the call. So sometimes I just find back tests that already look decent, so I can just kind of go faster with you guys and explain more. And then sometimes I just do real time so you guys can see me do things in real time. So I don't have anything here. VCAR, don't have any type of second situation. I don't really have this as anything. I think that's current point of interest. Now here I can already tell again that I don't have price coming up and leaving and entering anything. So reaccumulation, we're already looking for that there. This already filled here. Maybe I can mark this up as reaccumulation. Actually, for this one, BCAR, ST shakeout. It's not that clean, so we're not going to waste our time. Now here, we can check for the accumulation. I don't think it's there because this would have to be in the breakout structure with the entry. We didn't get an entry at all. So selling climax AR, ST, UT, breakout structure, but there's no entry. Again, and if this is selling climax AR, definitely no trading range alignment. Didn't even fill this, so we don't have anything there. So the goal of this call is to get like 3 back tests for you guys, just so you guys can see if you guys are back testing and finding 3 back tests a day for 40 minutes, then it's realistic for you guys to hit the 100, right? 100 a month, 25 a week. Obviously, while you're learning, it's kind of harder to find. So we have here, we have this as a fill. So first thing I'm looking for, other than structure and market cycles, like, do we have an entry? Because if I don't have an entry, then I don't have anything. So I was looking first BCAR, but now I'm just kind of looking into this. BCAR, ST, EA, and so I don't want to get really low for you guys, but let's just see if it's on the 30-second. And there's not much point to trading on the 30-second. I honestly don't trade on the 30-second because I usually just have other opportunities. So again, BCAR, I would say ST, what are we doing? Distro UT, MSAL, which is lower, UTAD. Oh, we don't have a, well, yes we do. Test, major sign of weakness. Okay, let's mark this up because that acts pretty clean, I think so. So we're going with the bodies. We have trading range alignment. We can check for previous point of interest. We have a clear breaker structure. So this is legit. So when it comes to back testing again, it's about just looking in the right area. So we're gonna go this with MSAL. You can call this, I want to call this a test because it's not testing the bottom range. We're going with bodies. Let's go here. And that's why, I mean, that's why it's not a ST, because it's not back in the trading range 50%, I don't think. So let's make a UT straight to the MSAL. So it's just about following all the rules. We've done many Wyckoffs if you're new, like about the rules. We'll do another one soon. So it's just about having the rules written down. You don't have to memorize anything. I never teach you guys how to memorize anything. Just making sure they're all doing the right rules, right? BC's all within the AR. ST's testing the range. UT has to come back in the trading range 50%. MSO has to be lower than the AR. UTAD has to be higher than UT. Test is just after the UTAD, just has to be lower. Sign of weakness has to be lower than the MSAL. And the structure here, I don't want to switch time frames right now. Technically it would be here, eh? So it does break structure, but I would say the breaker structure is here, because down, 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 this is all up, 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 right? This is the structure like this, nothing in here. Structure is straight like this. So this is why I tell you guys not to practice on lower time frames, because maybe you guys would have broke structure somewhere in here. And I could already tell that all this on a higher time frame is going to be like added up until like, you know, a few big candles, and this is going to be the major low, but we still get a nice breaker structure. So it's pretty nice, but 30 seconds is hard to catch unless you're actually kind of sitting there, which I do sometimes. Like for 1 minute snipes and stuff. I'm not sure waiting for an intro. So this is breaker structure. Risk to reward on this is going to be trash, I think. Unless we're at the top of the range. Okay, so it could be decent. So let's get a 3 pip stop loss. So that's the other thing about going so low. You can't really go lower than a, you can go very low, but it's, again, it's almost a waste of a trade if you have to go way too low. So this one's actually not bad. You go to this body, it's a 2.6. Honestly, I know 3 is the minimum, but I've done a 2.5 and lived to tell about it. So let's see if we can get it to a 3, or does it turn around? I don't remember the outcome. So somebody asked me on a one-on-one call, when should they use replay button? So what you're going to do is normally find a take profit to the left. Again, I'm just not going to do that right now because we're on the 32nd, and I don't want to lose my place because it will kind of get lost. But yeah, they asked me when they should use the replay button. I'm just going to take a picture. I'm going to delete that for the picture. Make sure and we're going to go to backtest. And we're going to go to distro. Okay, so we have 1. So let's find 2 more. So